Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of George Game I. Today I will be playing Dead Trigger. Dead Trigger. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna play the first mission, I think. Okay. I'll do it. Guys, I'll do it. Play. Okay. I've played this game before, but I just got it now. So I know how to move around and stuff without that screen stuff. Press. Move. Move, 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 move. Okay. Shoot. I didn't even aim that. Oh. Defend yourself. There's zombies here. Is there zombies here? You wanna die, zombie? Ah! Come on, come at me. Come at me, zombies. I am better than all of you. Okay, that was good. Okay, I'm gonna do next mission, I think. I haven't played this game for a while. Okay, close. Okay. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bye. Next mission. Okay. Oh, equipped.
I like to get
Main quest. Equipped. Okay.
that.
Okay. Oh, I need to defend it for 1 minute and 5 seconds.
And me and my friend here, Desmond. Hello.
Come on. If you can hear stuff in the background, my brother's watching a video. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down. I just told him to turn it down because it was too loud. I'll just turn this down. It's really loud already. I can still hear it. It's like really loud. When I shoot, it's really loud. Okay. 23 seconds left. Oof. Come on, let's do this. Doof. 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 Doof, 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 doof. Mission success, guys. Okay, what mission next? Mission success. I'm not gonna sign in now, guys. Equip. Okay, so what else is there? I want to play like other games. There was like more stuff. The Christmas one. Where's the Christmas one? Get to the gun shop. Run! Where is the gun shop? Whoa, yes. Found that much. Well, I have to clear the area. I'll go here. Come on, guys, come at me. I'm gonna shoot that. No. There we go. My gun is helping. My machine gun is helping me a lot. Ooh, I have $339 that I got. I'm just gonna get more money. Oh, I need to hit some too, otherwise I won't get money, guys. Okay, let's keep on getting this done. It's nearly destroyed. There's nothing there anymore. Okay, I'm going to go to the gun shop then. Doesn't look like a gun shop. Yay, I'm safe. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes, I think I got more stuff. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, guys. This is okay. Okay, so what else? No. Oh, yes. No. No. Ah, guys, this is no. What? What should I? Isn't there any like? I'm going to. What? I have to defend it for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, let's do this, guys. Ah. I can do this. Okay, I put 2 turrets down. That's pretty good for defense. Ah. That was a close one. I think after I'm gonna make another video and my brother might play with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. Dead Trigger. It's called Dead Trigger. Guys, if you want to get this game, it's called Dead Trigger. It's good. There's a game called Dead Trigger 2, but I don't like it. There's no shooting button. It shoots for you, which is so boo. Otherwise, what's the fun if it shoots for you? Three, 2, 1. Woo! Mission success! Woo! Okay, I just want to see how much minutes this went for. Cause the arena. Oops. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss. Peace. See you in the next video.